Hello everyone. August 2nd, 2025. Meet our new family member. Her name is Kai. Isn't she pretty? She's pretty. Um, so we have a bird, a beautiful bird, our baby named Willow. And unfortunately, she passed away 5 days ago. And so we only have one bird left, um, which is Isla, right there. Isla, that is Isla. And now she's alone, and I noticed him, been crying. Her, his tweet is sad. Oh, it's okay, Isla. He have a sad. He's a boy. He's a male because his body is gone. So we got him a new friend. We got him a new friend, and we just got home, like literally. Um, we just got home just a few minutes ago, maybe about less than 10 minutes ago, and we brought home Kai. We named her Kai. She's a female, so that our Isla have a new friend, so he's not alone. He's used to have friend. Since we got him home, he have a friend, except the last 5 days. And now we have Kai. This is Kai. Isn't she pretty? She's Milo. So far, it's her first day, first hour with us. So we purchased her yesterday, but because we have errands, we left her at the store. We asked the store to um, keep her for us, and we will pick her up today. And we did pick her up today, and there she is. We just got home. So for now, we will not keep them together right away. We'd like to introduce them by seeing each other, um, so that they get to know. They have different kids, and I think this is what you guys should do if ever who will have birds. First time they have bird. Although nobody told me before, this is what we did too when we first got Isla, because he's the one that the first bird we had, and then the following days we had Max, and Max flew away, and then Willow, who passed away just few days ago. But Isla was the very first one we have. So when we have a new bird, we don't put them together right away because we do not know if the new bird has a illness, a disease. We don't know. So we keep them separated from each other while they see each other but not together in one cage. So Kai has her own cage while Isla has his own cage. Um, this was our first cage, smaller one for one bird. But when we had, this was Isla's first cage. So when we planned to have another one for Isla's company, we purchased that bigger cage so that it's not too crowded for them. They have space to have their own, you know, uh, time when they play around and when they just want to settle down. So this is a bigger cage. And eventually, that's where Kai is going once they get when they're ready and we are ready for them to put them together. For now, we have to observe Kai for little while, make sure she's okay, she's not feeling sick or something, so that it won't transfer to Isla. So once we that's Isla. Once we see that Kai is okay, that's when uh, we will transfer her to the bigger cage. For now, they can see each other, but they're not. They can't play together. They cannot be touching each other because they are in separated cage. Cage. So, and that's our new baby right there. Say hi. Say hi. Wanna say hello, Kai? Say hi, world. Hey. Say I am Kai, and that's my name. I have a new family. They said she is ready to mate. She's already a mature bird, a mature budgies. So we will see. She seems very calm kind of personality. It's very calm. The other one over there, a little bit um, active, energetic, and also not very friendly. He's not very friendly. The other two birds that we used to have, they were friendly than this one, than Isla. So this one, we don't know if she is friendly yet. So far, we have not touched her yet. But let's check it out. We'll see. We'll see how she will react. Hello, Kai. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come. You wanna come? Come to mommy. It's okay. She's new. It's okay, baby. She is. She's very calm. Come, baby. Come to mommy. Wanna come to mommy? Come. She's not used to it yet. Come. You wanna come to mommy? Let's see. Let's see. Come. Come, baby. Come. You wanna come to mommy? No, not yet. Okay. Let her be. Let her get used to seeing us. Let her used to us. According to the store owner, where we purchased her, they said she was already with an owner, but she was surrendered. Don't know why, but the owner said where we purchased this, the store owner said that she's an adult and she's ready to mate. So, who knows? We might have a baby. We might have baby budgies here. We'll see. Right, Kai? All right. Um, there you go. There's our new family member. She's pretty. Right, Kai? All right. We'll give you guys an update for our new baby. Mhm. Okay, thank you for watching. Whatever your hands finds to do, do it with all your heart, with all your hands, and with all your might, as you're doing it for the Lord. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.